for?
Can you twist it, please? Mom, can you close it, please?
Alright. Hold on.
It's my mom's one.
Point this at Jake.
Right.
Alright, here you go. Here you go.
You can hold that.
Now here, just take it. Here he comes, here he comes, here comes Jake. Yeah, 2 minutes of action so far. Little Malia had to hold it. Oh, dude, it's Ryan. Where's Jake?
He's getting a break.
During a video? Gonna go head to the stars of this video. They're probably up here getting gasoline. There's Blake and his mom. Blake really doesn't want to be on YouTube, but that's alright. Hey Jake, what do you have to say to the fans?
That was awesome.
Hey!
There's PJ, the Dove Studio.